Hi friend, how was your day today? How was your night? How did you go? You know, it feels motivated when you know you can do one thing every week to change your life someday, that you never have to struggle, let's say, work or do anything again. That's what keeps you motivated. You know, anytime I take my microphone and my phone going to make that video, all I have in mind is I'm going to do one thing this week, not two, only one thing this week that will change my life someday to come in a short possible time. That's what keeps me motivated. That's why I don't stop. That's why I'm still doing that one thing. Yesterday I was watching one of the podcasts on how to grow your channel on YouTube, and is it Umar Sami, and he was saying something like he made up his mind to post until Jesus Christ comes. Wow, what the heck? This is insane. You are posting until Jesus Christ comes. Jesus Christ will come and meet you, film me your podcast, and that was insane. I was like, wow. And he had to say something that, you know, kept me going, something that I kept in my mind. I wrote it down. Anyway, he said that it's not about, you know, a lot of times people have why they are doing that, and they always say, if you feel like giving up, just remember your why. Maybe your why might be you not wanting to work like all of the days. You want to build something, maybe you don't want to waste all your time going to work and this maybe you want to travel around, maybe it's because of your mama. That's your why. But Umar said, remember your who. It literally means, who are you doing it for? Who are you doing it for? I've got only two things I'm doing right: consistency and improving 1% every day in my video, and that's all. I've got only two. Now there's a lot of creators teaching different things, but if you could stick to one person or two, so like, okay, this person's information is very substantial, so I'm gonna stick to it. It will help. Consuming from here and here and here and here and here. Isn't it just like something like scrolling? This, right? So this is from Umar, and I quote that I am posting until Jesus Christ comes. You don't have, you're not stopping. He hasn't come yet, so until he comes, I'm still doing it. I mean, remember your who. Who are you doing it for? You're doing it for yourself, innit? Yeah, you're doing it for yourself. Yeah. So maybe for who you can do it for yourself. You can be doing it for yourself. Maybe you're doing it for your parents or maybe your loved ones. So remember your who, as I always do. Until we meet again, congratulations, cause we made it. Stick around and let's go to the top. I don't know how big this channel is gonna be, but I know it's going to be big. Bye bye.